In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable VPN button in Brave Browser. By the end, you'll know exactly how to show or hide the VPN button on your toolbar so you can get quick access to Brave's VPN when you need it, and keep your toolbar uncluttered when you don't. First, open the Brave browser on your computer. These steps are for the desktop version, and the layout can vary slightly depending on your operating system and the version of Brave you're using. If things look a little different, don't worry. The wording and placement should be very similar. Now, move to the top right corner of the browser window and click the menu icon. This is the hamburger icon, the 3 horizontal lines. From that menu, select Settings. This opens Brave's main settings area, where you control how the browser looks and behaves. In the Settings sidebar, click on Appearance. This section is all about how Brave looks, your theme, the toolbar, and other visual elements you see while browsing. Within Appearance, find and click on Customize your toolbar. This is where you choose which buttons appear next to the address bar, so you can keep only the controls you actually use. A customization panel will appear on the right side. Look for the option labeled VPN. You'll see a toggle next to it. Click the toggle to turn it on. When it's on, Brave adds the VPN button to your toolbar, so it's always one click away. You should see the button appear near your address bar or alongside your other toolbar icons. If you already use Brave's VPN service, clicking the button will help you connect, disconnect, or view status. If you're not subscribed, it may prompt you with information about the service. To hide the button later, simply return to this same toggle and switch it off. The button will disappear from the toolbar immediately. That's all there is to it. Open Brave, go to the menu and choose Settings. Head into Appearance, click Customize your toolbar, and toggle VPN on to show the button, or off to remove it. If you don't see the VPN option, make sure Brave is up to date and note that availability can differ by region and version. Also, enabling the button doesn't automatically turn on a VPN connection. It simply adds the shortcut so you can manage it quickly. Thanks for watching. If this helped you streamline your Brave toolbar, give it a try right now and enjoy having the VPN button exactly when and where you want it.